Hey everyone, I'm making another video for the LAP Part 1 just to clarify some things. We put to upload it as one PDF document, so I'm just going to go through with y'all how to do that just in case you've never done that before. A lot of professors will ask for you to upload things as a PDF, so it's a good thing to learn, and I just want to make sure y'all know how to do it. So when you go to your templates, first of all, you want to make sure that you're completely finished before you save it as a PDF. So, as you're going about this, save it as normal as a Word document. Once you're completely done, you're going to go to File and Save As. Change the name to LAP Part 1 and your name. I like to save things to my desktop. And then right here where it says File Format, you go in and down here it says Export Formats and you click PDF. And I don't know what the difference is between these two. We're submitting it to As You Learn, so I'm going to go ahead and click that one. If you have that option, I really don't think it matters which one you choose, but we'll choose that one. And then when you go put it on my desktop, it's right here. Here's my little puppy. Okay, so as you can see now, it is converted into a PDF, and like I said, you will not be able to edit this, so make sure you're completely done. And then you can go ahead and go back onto As You Learn and upload the file as one PDF for all of these. Yeah, I don't think anyone would have any issues. I know I'm on a Mac. I don't think it makes a difference because it's just Word documents. It's not like a huge deal. If you can't figure out, I promise, don't stress out about it. Just email one of us and we should be able to help you. I'm just going to do it again one more time so y'all can see. So File, Save As, I think, and okay, again, this is how I do it, so if you know another way, like, by all means, do that. This is just the only way I know how to do it, and it always works. So PDF, and hit export, and it'll create a PDF. So hopefully that helps y'all out a little bit. And again, just let us know if you have any questions about any part of LAP or uploading, submitting, anything like that. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day.